Hello, my name is Trevor Woods, and today I'll be talking to you about the Kiva Robot Systems and Amazon. So first, a little background on the robots. It's a robot system with a product fulfillment system. The robots are components of the delivery system because they bring the products to the workers who package the goods. The robots are designed to cut the time it takes for the workers to retrieve packages from the shelves. With the robots, workers can stand in place the box and have the robots deliver the products to them. So according to Bloomberg.com, Amazon Inc. made its biggest acquisition since the 2009 purchase of Zappos by agreeing to pay $775 million for Kiva Systems. The implementation of the robots was a success because it increased the company productivity, share prices, and efficiency of Amazon's fulfillment services. The number of Amazon employees rose to 56,200 in 2011, which is 67% more than in 2010. Classify the system as living and man-made. It's living because the robots do interact with human workers, but it's man-made because the robots are built by humans. So, Kiva Robot system includes several elements. It includes the Kiva robots, the shelves that house the products, the street and highway network, and the processing and programming framework used to operate the robots. The elements function very efficiently together to achieve its desired purpose, which is to deliver products to the workers who then place the packages in the boxes. The Kiva robot system is nested within the product fulfillment system. The robots fill the gap between getting the product from the shelf to the worker who puts it in a box. The robot system is arranged in a multilateral system. Each robot interacts with other robots, which interact with the computerized operating system. The entire robot system delivers products to the human workers. So they're in the operational stage of evolution. Since influential change of the Kiva system is that it has drastically increased the size since being bought by Amazon. So here's a boundary diagram of the system. Fawn represents the boundary diagram, and notice that the Kiva robots interact with the buyer and the worker who packages the items together. There's a whole inner network within the Kiva robot, and also the giving feedback and supervisor criticism from the worker to the buyer through ways of reviews, etc., etc. So, first stage of the system's life cycle is to establish a system need. Amazon needed a quicker and more efficient way to getting the products from the shelves to individual boxes. Associated risks with making a more efficient system could compromise jobs, so Amazon wanted to minimize the number of jobs lost. Stakeholders in this stage are the client and decision authority. So here's a systemogram. The system, see how big the yellow and gray box represents just the Kiva robot system, which is nested within the product delivery system. It goes from the buyer all the way to the employee packer that puts product in the box. So continuing on with the life cycle, second stage is to develop the system concept. Biggest concern with the new system was that it had to be efficient enough to accommodate the increasing number of orders. The stakeholder in the stage are the client and the owner. Third stage of the system life cycle, Amazon engineers designed and developed their own vision of the Kiva robot. Since they bought the robot from Kiva Systems, the biggest programmatic risk was synchronizing its components with Amazon's infrastructure to ensure seamless operability. The stakeholder in this stage is the engineering decision authority. Fourth stage of the robot's life cycle is to produce a system. Kiva Systems had already produced a vast number of robots. Now, a risk associated in this stage with the expansion is that Amazon had to make enough to fill the fulfillment center. The stakeholder in the stage is the user or the employees. Fifth and most imperative stage in the system is deploy the system. While developing the robot operational risk management plan, the engineers from Amazon had to take into account the schedule risk and operational risk. The stakeholders for the stage are the user and the client. Sixth stage is the operating stage. It's the current stage of the robot system. From my understanding, the system is doing well. Stakeholders in this stage are the user and consumer. The seventh and final stage is to retire the system. While the Amazon system is not at this stage, The biggest ethical concern of the system is implementing the Kiva robots is taking away jobs from Amazon employees. However, Amazon actually employed additional employees to operate the system. So that's it, and thanks for watching.